things for the day. These are a redo, so I'm going to prime everything, and then they're going to go back to roughly that color. These ones will get pearl gray, and we'll take her from there. All right, so here's the gray. To get it all there. Okay. Nice decent texture up to it. Still shiny. And over here, we got all these parts primed. Sort of. Just a little fog coat. And then we're going to move on to the color on this one now. And here it is. And inside and out. Happy Friday. I'm out of here. We're gonna go do some cars on the weekend.